Okay guys, I just want to show you how I emery cloth up a crank. You want to start with like 600 grit and finish with 1,000 grit. You know, just the two. But essentially what I do is I wrap the sand. I got a strip of sandpaper here. You want to use emery cloth too, but I couldn't find any. So I'm just going to run it around the crank like this. Let me set you down right here for a minute. Wrap it around and just tape it. If I can get it around. I don't know if you've seen that or not, but okay, so there's that. Let me set you back down for a minute. And then I'm going to take an old spark plug wire, or in this case, vacuum hose, and I'm going to run it around it, just like this, and then one more time around. So this way you're not pulling uneven sides. So let me grab this side with my hand while I hold the phone. Just like that. And then you're just gonna pull back and forth just like that. And you're gonna do this for about 1.5 to 2 minutes with 600 grit, and then you're gonna do it for about 1.5 to 2 minutes with 1,000 grit. But one of the most important things is, which I just forgot, is soak the crap out of it with WD-40. You really want to get a lot on there. That'll help cut it too. The 600 grit will cut it, and then the 1,000 grit will polish it. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.